think we're just so lucky in Oregon to have so many beautiful scenes that you could never stop exploring. I didn't even realize that there were so many places that Oregon had that were so incredible until I went there for myself. Not everybody gets a chance to go out, so I feel as though my duty would be to kind of give other people the same feeling that those places gave me. I just want to be able to show what a place looked like in one particular point in time. You know, I kind of worry for the future in terms of what we're gonna be able to show our kids. As much as I want to keep Oregon a secret, there's just so much beauty. If I can show people through my camera and my pictures what Oregon has to offer, then maybe other people will start exploring too.